Hello and welcome to another edition of Real Talk, where we field real questions from real people about real estate. We're here with an estate planner herself, Althea Volper. Hi, Althea.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fantastic. We're in Market Square in Amesbury, Massachusetts. Just got a cold brew from the Bakehouse. Shout out to the Bakehouse. No free ads.
Kombucha on tap.
Hey, so we love where we live. Today we're talking about estate planning, especially what happens when kids happen and how do we plan for intergenerational wealth and what are the extra layers that are involved. And it's not just you and your partner anymore. There's kids in the picture. What happened here?
Well, at the front of parents' minds is guardianship. Obviously, you want to appoint one of the best people who are going to raise your kids in the way that you would want. Not that anyone could ever match your parenting, but we try to do the best we can. And the people that are best suited to raise your children might not be the best people who are suited to manage your money. And we can bifurcate those roles by naming a trustee of a living trust to manage money for the benefit of the children while leading a separate individual as guardian for those children.
Okay. Can we get bifurcation definition at the bottom of the video? Go ahead.
So after dealing with issues of guardianship, and this can be one of those that parents really need to marinate in, they really need to talk about it among themselves, and they might want to bring it into the conversation so I can talk through the various issues and make sure we have really the best people in mind. Who they would want might not be necessarily who a court will decide would be best. So it's very important that we memorialize those wishes, not only in a last will and testament, but also we do a separate document called the parental appointment of guardianship to make sure that whoever's named can immediately step in to care for the children.
And I just want to highlight, as an estate planner, so now you're covering guardianship, healthcare proxy, estate plus actual real estate ownership.
Yep.
And wealth management. Like there's a lot that you guys cover.
Yeah. Well, some of the roles we talk about are healthcare proxies, like you mentioned, but we also will need a financial agent called an attorney-in-fact under a durable power of attorney. So this is someone who can make all non-medical decisions in the event that someone is either incapacitated or just not able to do that, manage their affairs for themselves.
Okay. So if you haven't planned for the future, Althea Volper is in downtown Amesbury. It's easy for me to say.
Yep.
Right here in Amesbury, Dalton Feingold. She's a great listener, and I highly recommend her. Stay tuned next time. I think we're going to get an anecdote from Althea about a recent situation where it's a little bit comical. It's very poignant. I think you're going to like it. Stay tuned next time for another edition of Real Talk.